Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello, we are a group of 8 of Electrical Engineering, University of Tidar. Here we will make a tutorial video how to install matlab. First, we introduce ourselves. I, Lola Cunanim Tias.
Hello everyone, my name is Wahyu Ramadhani.
My name is Sofan Rahman.
My name is Taufan Astagfirullah.
First of all, click the setup icon of MATLAB. Then, click Install without connecting to the internet. Enter the key code contained in the install instruction. Enter the downloaded license file. Wait for the installation process to complete. After completion, MATLAB is ready to use.
Thank you for your attention. Bye.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.